Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. As you can see, I have a new background here. I hope you all like it. I did film a live unboxing when I got these in the mail, so go ahead and check out that video. It's the one before this, and you could take a look at my other backgrounds that I have. Excuse me. Sorry, I keep saying backgrounds. Backdrops. I think when you go to Amazon and you try to search for them, you have to write backdrops. Yeah. So now back to the video. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram story. And you all will get a chance to vote which one is your favorite. So let's talk about the products. So the first product that's coming up is going to have a lot of C's when I talk about it, a lot of triple C's, so get ready for all the C's coming at you. This is called TIGI Copyright Custom Care Repair Conditioner, 8.45 ounce. They also have a TIGI Copyright Custom Care Repair Conditioner in a 1.69 bottle, which is a travel size. And I thought they had a liter size, but I couldn't find it. I'm pretty sure they do, from what I remember. Anyway, so this is for pros only. I believe you can ask your hairdresser to help you purchase one or recommend you one. Also, I've seen them on Amazon as well, so go check out Amazon. Just be careful when you're shopping on Amazon. Sometimes they fill it up with water or they do something to them and it's not the actual product. You just never know what you're getting on Amazon, so be careful. Check out the independent beauty stores. Usually they have like these items here. The independent beauty stores would be like your corner beauty store across from, actually there was one in my neighborhood that was right across the street from Sephora. So if Sephora didn't carry it, the independent beauty store did. So, you know, check those out as well. The next 3 C's are Color Care Complex System, which repairs damaged broken hair with keratin, lipids, and coconut oil. It strengthens the bonds inside the fiber and smooths the outside of it, as well as making your color a little bit more vibrant. Your hair is protected every single time you wash it, and then it will become stronger so it can fight against any future damages. It also has heat protection for your hair and makes it a lot more manageable when you brush it or style it. And very simple instructions from this conditioner. Just put it from mid to ends. Go ahead and work it in there. And of course, when you're in the shower and your hair is wet. And then just leave it in 3 to 5 minutes and wash it off.
That was easy. Very simple.
We're moving on to the next one, which is Rusk Pro. So again, another pro item. Ask your hairstylist if they recommend it to you, if they can purchase you one, maybe. Some stylists are really nice and do that. Also, some salons have Rusk products, so they might have this there, or possibly the salon uses these products on their hair for the clients at that moment of time. So you can probably purchase them at the salon, but all in all, just go ahead and check your local beauty store and see if they carry them as well. This is Rusk Pro Repair 01 Conditioner for dry hair. It is a 12 ounce bottle. They also have a liter. It is a 33.8 ounce. Now I know in the packaging it says dry damaged hair only, but this is also color safe and is very hydrating and smooths over the cuticle layer. So it will improve the strength and elasticity.
Which is like, stretch girl. Get it?
So basically when you bleach your hair becomes like a bubble gum and it starts stretching and being all weird and gummy. I'm not sure if you've seen those videos where the girl's hair starts to fall off and they are slowly stretching it and it comes out. So basically it's repairing that damage and makes it more stronger and it doesn't stretch out that much. Hopefully. So instead of having any triple C's in this bottle, they actually have a CDE Flex 3 technology. The CDE stands for color fading, damaged, and of course environmental pollution. It has hair advanced polymers to help basically detangle your hair. It creates a barrier around the hair fiber so that it can protect it and repair it as well, but it won't be too heavy, so it's not weighing down the hair. For this conditioner, you want to pour a quarter-sized amount into your palm. Go ahead, work it into your hair mid. I guess my mid would be about here, and then two ends. Work it either with your hands, or you can use a wide tooth comb as well, just like this. And then you want to leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes and then go ahead and rinse.
Very simple.
Okay, now for the results. And Rusk Pro 83% and TIGI copyright has 17%. Congratulations, Rusk Pro. You are the winner, Rusk, which is pretty awesome because I know that TIGI is a much more popular brand than Rusk, but Rusk won. So it proved me wrong. Congratulations, Rusk. Now feel free to let me know which one is your favorite, either Rusk Pro Repair 01 conditioner or TIGI Copyright Custom Care Repair Conditioner. And just go ahead, comment below. Tell me which one's your favorite, which one you like, which one you've tried. And I will feature you in my next video. We do have a feature from the last video. Another one.
So you see what happened was
I had already finished editing and my video was ready to be uploaded. Then suddenly I received this comment and I, of course, was already done. So don't worry, I'm going to feature her here. I wanted to say a special thank you to her for being patient if she was waiting for herself to be shown in the last week's video. But you are now being shown in this week's video. So thank you so much for being patient with me. Navir Siddique, I believe. I love your video. I have a same RCMA palette. Love using it. Keep making lovely videos. Thank you so much, Navira. Yes. So that means there was 2 comments for RCMA. Of course, Anastasia Beverly Hills won. So this happened a long time ago before, where everybody was commenting on one product, but the other product won. So if you love those products, remember to vote and you might actually see them win. Of course, this is just for fun and everything, but you know, if you have a favorite and you want to see them win, remember to vote. Alright, that's our time this week. Thank you everybody for joining me for the live stream and this week's video. It has been a pleasure getting to know everyone as well in the comments. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye.